Hello everyone, today we are going to compare Binance and Coinbase and find out which is best for crypto trading and investment. We will compare side by side their pros and cons, so be in the video till last so you can have an understanding of both the exchanges. So this is the topics we are going to cover in this video. Binance is a safe and secure platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies quickly. Users can easily buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using a wide range of payment options, including bank transfer, credit or debit card and cash. Binance accepts a wide range of currencies and makes it easy for you to buy crypto using USD, EUR, CNY, INR, RUB, and other fiat currencies. You can also use a wide range of accepted stablecoins such as USD Coin and Tether to buy crypto. If you already hold crypto in another wallet, you can also deposit them into your Binance wallet. You can immediately trade your purchased crypto on the many products and services on the Binance platform. You can also stake on Binance. There are features on Binance Exchange which allows you to earn more rewards for staking a specific cryptocurrency for a specific duration. If you don't know what staking means, it involves holding funds in a cryptocurrency wallet to support the security and operations of a blockchain network. Simply, crypto staking is similar to depositing money in a bank, in that an investor locks up their assets, and in exchange earns interest. Binance trading fees are some of the lowest on the market. They doesn't charge users for making deposits. Its trading fees are capped at 0.1% of each purchase or sale users make. This fee is reduced by 50% if traders use Binance Coin, that is BNB, to pay them. So that's a final fee of just 0.05%. Binance trading fees are one of the exchange's best features. It also offers its users a great selection of coins. You can trade in lots of alternate coins you won't find on most other exchanges. Binance allows users to create advanced charting views with hundreds of overlays and indicators via the embedded trading view charts. Now let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase offers a simple platform for investors new to trading cryptocurrency wanting fast, easy and secure ways to trade. More advanced users who need flexibility while trading can access additional features and order types through Coinbase Pro, available to any Coinbase user, but it comes with a pricing. Coinbase currently supports over 107 currencies for trading. It is one of the most established cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States. The biggest drawback of Coinbase is their high transaction fee, which is about 0.50 per trade. There is no access to trade many alternate coins. It is also poor at customer service, including at the time of serious security issues. Coinbase offers short educational videos that walk users through different cryptocurrency projects. Also, users can set up alerts about price changes in whichever cryptocurrencies they want to track. Using a watch list of currencies, users can either view updates on the app or get notifications pushed to their mobile phones. Now let's have a side-by-side comparison of both the exchanges. Main features. Binance. Comprehensive charting options, low fees, and hundreds of cryptocurrencies. Coinbase. Beginner-friendly platform offering basic transactions, a digital wallet, and withdrawals to PayPal. Fees. Binance. 0.015% to 0.1% per trade. Coinbase. 0.5% per trade, which is higher than Binance. Number of cryptocurrency supported. Binance. Over 500 cryptocurrencies available for trading on Binance. Coinbase. Only 107 cryptocurrencies. Types of transaction supported. Binance. Buy, sell, send, receive, exchange and also limit order, market order, stop limit order, trailing stop order, post-only order, peer-to-peer trading, margin trading, and more. Coinbase. Buy, sell, send, receive and exchange. You can unlock other features in Coinbase Pro. Unique features. Binance. Binance frequently holds giveaways and challenges to increase user participation on their platform. Users can claim these prizes in the Binance Reward Center. Binance also hosts crypto airdrops for currencies that are soon to be listed on their platform, which is not available in Coinbase. Coinbase. Coinbase offers a built-in news feed to update its users on current crypto news and developments. The feed curates articles from the web to deliver important trends and changes in the cryptocurrency market. Summing up all the features of both the exchanges, those who trade on daily basis or weekly basis, I would suggest them to sign up with Binance. Their transaction support like limit order, stop limit order and low trading fees will help you to scale profits. And those who are into long-term investment and want a beginner-friendly platform, they can sign up with Coinbase. Thank you so much guys for being with me till last, and please subscribe if I was any way helpful to you.